In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Google Form responses. First off, thank you for choosing this tutorial. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting a survey, or collecting data for research, Google Forms is a potent tool that can help streamline your processes. Today, we'll dive into how you can access the responses you receive on your Google Forms, ensuring you make the most out of the information you've collected. Getting started, the very first thing you need to do is to sign into your Google account. This step is crucial as Google Forms are linked to your Google account. Simply navigate to the Google Forms website. Here you'll be prompted to log in, enter your email address and then click Next. Following this, you will need to enter your password. Once entered, hit the Sign In button and you'll be taken to your Google Forms dashboard. Now, with access to your Google Forms dashboard, it's time to locate the specific form you're interested in. This dashboard is where all your created forms are stored. Once you find the form from which you want to view the responses, click on it to open it. Upon opening your form, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. To see the responses to your form, click on the Responses tab. This area is where Google Forms accumulates all the answers provided by your respondents. It's designed intuitively, allowing you to have a clear overview of the data collected. To further analyze your data, or if you prefer working within a spreadsheet, Google Forms provides an easy way to view these responses in Google Sheets. To do this, you'll notice an icon labeled View in Sheets. It looks like a little green spreadsheet located at the top of the Responses tab. Clicking on this will automatically generate a Google Sheet containing all your form responses. This step essentially bridges Google Forms with Google Sheets, making data analysis and sharing much more manageable. If this is your first time clicking View in Sheets, Google Forms will ask for your permission to create a new spreadsheet. Otherwise, it will add the responses to an existing spreadsheet linked to that form. Once in Google Sheets, you can manipulate the data as you see fit, applying filters, creating graphs, and performing detailed analysis, all from within the comfortable and familiar interface of Google Sheets. And there you have it, a seamless method to access and analyze your Google Form responses. Remember that all the data collected via your forms are stored safely in your Google account, providing both security and easy accessibility. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Utilizing Google Forms and Sheets this way can significantly improve how you collect and analyze data, ultimately making your workflows much more efficient. Feel free to revisit any steps mentioned if you need a refresher. Happy data collecting and see you in the next tutorial.